Nonetheless, when I say Assalamu alaikum to you, I mean, I guarantee you, I will not harm you. What does peace be upon you actually mean? What peace? I'm talking of holistic peace. Peace be upon you from Allah. May peace be upon you from me. I'm not going to harm you. The type of peace I can offer you, it's going to be there. What peace Allah can give you is actually holistic. Allah will give you contentment and so much more. The most beautiful, most amazing greeting ever is Assalamu alaikum. تحيتهم يوم يلقونه سلام. The greeting on that day when they meet with Allah will be salam, peace. Subhanallah. So be conscious of the fact that you are saying Assalamu alaikum. What's the point of Assalamu alaikum? And then you dagger the person as they turn around. You say, you know what? Rotten person. And you walked away. Why did you have to say salam if that's how you felt? In fact, the reason I raise all of this is because to show a concern for your brothers and sisters begins at home. It begins here. It begins with those around you, those you interact with. Allah places people in your life, makes you pass people on the street, designed by Him. It was not just a mere coincidence, designed by Allah. You passed a certain person, or you crossed paths with someone, or you're in a situation, or you're sitting next to someone right now